institutions and measures. Question 1. Consider the following statements with reference to biodiversity conservation and rural livelihood improvement project for India. 1. It is funded by the World Bank and implemented by the GEF Trust Fund. 2. Its aim is to develop and promote new models of conservation at the landscape scale through enhanced capacity and institution building for mainstreaming biodiversity conservation outcomes. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to Interest Subvention Scheme, ISS, for farmers? A. It aims to provide concessional short-term crop loans including loan availed through Kisan Credit Card, KCC, to the farmers. B. There is a provision of foregoing interest amount in case of for prompt and timely repayment of loans by the farmers. C. Animal husbandry and fisheries are also included under the ISS. D. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, are the implementing agency for ISS. Question 3. Consider the following statements with regard to National Gene Bank. 1. The National Gene Bank was established in 1996 to preserve the seeds of plant genetic resources, PGR. 2. The National Gene Bank has 4 kinds of facilities, namely, Seed Gene Bank, Cryogene Bank, In Vitro Gene Bank and Field Gene Bank for conservation. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following statements with reference to the Forum for Decarbonizing Transport. 1. The Forum for Decarbonizing Transport will help in achieving specific results in reducing emissions from the transport sector. 2. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways launched the Forum for Decarbonizing Transport. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding the National Wetland Conservation Program. 1. Wetland management is the responsibility of central government's UT administrations because the land resources belong to them. 2. The criteria for identifying wetlands of national significance under the National Wetland Conservation Program are the same as under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. 3. The National Wetland Conservation Program provides 100% funding for all conservation and protection activities. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding e-waste management. 1. E-waste management rules 2016 rules shall apply to every manufacturer, producer, consumer, bulk consumer and collection centers including micro-enterprises. 2. Under e-waste management rules 2016, every manufacturer, producer, bulk consumer, collection center, dismantler and recycler may only store the e-waste for a period not exceeding 60 days. 3. The Nairobi Declaration, adopted at the Rotterdam Convention aimed at creating innovative solutions for the environmentally sound management of electronic wastes. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements in context of National Green Tribunal, NGT. 1. National Green Tribunal, NGT, also draws inspiration from Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. 2. The tribunal is bound by the procedure laid down under the Code of Civil Procedure and mandated to make disposal of appeals within 1 year. 3. The NGT deals with civil cases under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 and the Forest Rights Act of 2006. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding fly ash management and utilization mission. 1. It is established by the order of National Green Tribunal due to unscientific handling and storage of the fly ash by coal thermal power stations. 2. The mission is to be headed by the Secretary of the Union Ministry of Coal and Power. 3. Fly ash particles combined with water cause leaching of heavy metals in groundwater. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding the Coastal Regulation Zones, CRZs. 1. CRZ norms are issued under Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. 2. The CRZ's rules exclude the intertidal zone and water area. 3. The latest CRZ rules have a no development zone of 20 meters for all islands close to the mainland coast and for all backwater islands in the mainland. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 3 only.